Okay, we're ready.
Scoot up a little bit closer.
Why do I get the feeling I'm going to be ambushed?
That was a surprise for you.
Come on.
No. What are you doing?
Come on.
Dad, it's really cool.
Too much work to do.
Just come on.
We have a surprise for you.
Come on.
really
This is my
cool.
Father's Day present
Luke,
to you.
get
I want
back.
to show you.
You have to come outside.
You have cups.
Come outside. It's not
No,
water, we
that's it.
promise. Come
We
on,
promise
one
it's not
second.
water. Hurry up.
You'll be so happy when you see it. Come on.
Right there, Daddy.
There's no water in
You're
it.
not dumping anything on me?
No.
No.
We promise.
Catch. Catch. Except for flour.
Serious? Stop. That's not funny.
What are you supposed to say?
Stop.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
No. Jimmy Kimball.
Oh, say hi to Jimmy Kimball. What?
I played catch with my dad.
Oh,
yeah.
I played catch with my dad.
Not sure if he appreciated playing with us.
No, because it's 10 o'clock at night. We're trying to get ready for camp. I told you bed's at 10.
Can you cut that part out?